In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy an image character in Leonardo AI Desktop. To get started, open the Leonardo AI web app and head to the image generation section. This is the main workspace where you'll create new images, and it's where all the character reference tools are easiest to access. Once you're there, choose an SDXL or another compatible base model. Good options include Leonardo Phoenix or Flux. This part matters because character reference works best when you're using a model that supports that type of image guidance. If your results ever seem inconsistent, the model selection is one of the first things worth checking. Next, look to the left side of the prompt input bar and click the image icon, which appears as a plus sign with an image symbol. This opens the image guidance options that let you influence your generation using a visual reference instead of relying only on text. From those options, select Character Reference. This tells Leonardo AI that you want to preserve the identity and overall look of a character from an existing image while changing other elements around it. Now, upload a new photo, or if you already have a character image you've used before, select one from your previous generations or your feed. Using an existing image can save time and also helps keep your character more consistent across multiple creations. After that, type a new text prompt describing the changes you want, such as a different pose, new clothing, or a new background. Try to be clear and specific with your description so the AI understands what should change and what should stay recognizable. For example, focus your prompt on the visual update you want rather than rewriting the entire character from scratch. When everything looks good, click Generate. Leonardo AI will then use your selected character reference along with your new prompt to create a fresh image based on that same character identity.